This is the elevator at 100 East Madison Street in Tampa, Florida. We've got an old Dover here. Oh, the panel's over here. Let's go 3. It's got the Miami rebrand. The indicator's over here. Here we are at 3. Let's go to 1. Here's your inspection certificate, which is actually expired. Here's your cab view. It's not a very big elevator. It has, according to the certificate, a 2,000 pound capacity. Actually leveled pretty quickly. Let's go up to 3. It's also got a stop run switch. And the alarm bell is a black button for some reason. So is door open. Let's watch the button go out. There's the, my camera's out of focus. There's the MPE. Let's go to 2, just to check out an intermediate call station. Alright, then there it is. Let's go down and end it at 1. And it's got an ADA compliant phone here. The indicator doesn't work. Oh yeah, also there's a plate up there that says capacity 2,000 pounds. Alright. There it goes. And that'll be it.